For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a paintball field business can be an exciting venture that combines outdoor fun with entrepreneurship. Paintball is a popular recreational activity, and with the right planning and execution, you can create a thriving business that attracts players of all ages. Leveraging free AI tools can simplify many aspects of starting and running your paintball field, from market research and business planning to marketing and operations. This guide will take you step by step through the process of launching your paintball field business using free AI tools to save time, money, and effort. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before investing in any paintball business, it's important to understand the demand in your area, your competition, and your target customers. Use AI-powered research tools such as ChatGPT or Google Bard to help gather insights. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me research the paintball market demand and competition in your city or region. What are key customer demographics and competitors?" AI can summarize online data, reviews, and market trends, helping you identify the best location and the niche you can fill. Step 2. Define your business model and services. Decide what type of paintball experience you want to offer. Will you focus on casual players, corporate events, birthday parties, or competitive tournaments? AI tools can assist you in refining your business model. Ask ChatGPT. Create a list of different paintball field business models and their pros and cons. Use this to decide your pricing, packages, and any value-added services like equipment rental, training, or food concessions. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A strong business plan is critical for success and useful if you seek financing. Use free AI to generate a comprehensive plan. Prompt ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan outline for a paintball field business, including market analysis, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections. Then ask it to flesh out each section. Tools like Google Docs with AI Assist can help format and polish your document. This plan will serve as your roadmap. Step 4. Scout and secure a location. Your paintball field requires adequate outdoor space with natural or artificial obstacles. Use AI mapping tools like Google Earth combined with ChatGPT to evaluate potential sites. You can ask, "Suggest ideal features for a paintball field location in area, considering accessibility, size, and local zoning laws." Check local government websites with AI-based chat support or FAQ bots to understand permits and regulations. Contact local authorities for guidance on land use and environmental restrictions. Step 5. Design the paintball field layout. Designing your field is key for player experience and safety. Use free AI design tools such as SketchUp Free or Canva for simple maps to draft layouts. To get creative ideas, prompt ChatGPT. Generate creative paintball field layout ideas with diverse zones and safety measures. Incorporate natural terrain, bunkers, barriers, and safe zones. Some AI tools can help generate 3D models or detailed diagrams to visualize your plan. Step 6. Plan equipment and safety gear. Paintball requires specialized equipment like markers, masks, pods, and uniforms. Use AI tools to research suppliers and equipment options. You might ask ChatGPT. List essential paintball equipment needed for a commercial paintball field, including brands known for quality and affordability. Also, gather safety regulations by prompting. What are standard safety guidelines for operating a paintball field business? This step ensures you meet industry standards and protect your players. Step 7. Develop your marketing strategy. To attract customers, develop a marketing plan using AI tools. ChatGPT can help you create promotional content, social media plans, and email campaigns. Use prompts like, "Create a marketing plan for a new paintball field targeting families, teens, and corporate groups." For visual content, Canva's free AI-powered templates help create logos, flyers, and social media posts. Use scheduling tools like Buffer or Later, which have free tiers, to automate posts and monitor engagement. Step 8. Build an online presence. Having a website and social media pages is crucial. Use free AI website builders such as Wix ADI or Zyro AI to create a professional site without coding skills. Ask ChatGPT. Write website copy for a paintball field business homepage, including services, pricing, and safety information. Add online booking features using free scheduling tools like Calendly integrated into your website to simplify reservations. Step 9. Set up operations and staff training. Plan daily operations including booking management, equipment maintenance, and customer service. Use ChatGPT for operational checklists and staff training materials by prompting. Create a training manual outline for paintball field staff covering safety procedures, equipment handling, and customer interaction. You can also generate scripts for staff to handle common customer questions or issues. Step 10. Prepare financial management tools. Track your expenses, sales, and profits with free financial software such as Wave Accounting or Excel with AI assistance. ChatGPT can help you. Create a simple paintball business budget and cash flow forecast template. Using these tools ensures you manage your finances efficiently and can make data-driven decisions. Step 11. Launch and gather feedback. Once ready, host a soft launch or opening event. Use AI to draft press releases, social media announcements, and customer feedback surveys. For example, ask ChatGPT. Write an engaging social media post announcing the grand opening of my paintball field. After opening, use free survey tools like Google Forms with AI-generated questions to collect customer feedback and improve your services. Conclusion. Starting a paintball field business can be a rewarding way to combine entrepreneurship with outdoor recreation. Using free AI tools throughout the process, from market research and business planning to marketing and operations, can significantly reduce startup costs and enhance efficiency. By following these steps and leveraging AI's creative and analytical power, you can build a competitive and successful paintball business that provides fun and excitement for your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.